Hello guys and welcome back to AMH Tech SL. In this video, I will be showing you how to download any firmware for your Samsung mobile device using a simple and free tool named Frija. So if you are new to my channel, then please press the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications on the new videos I post. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So, here's what we will be doing. First, go to your Google Chrome web browser and navigate to the following link. I have provided the link in the description so that you can easily download it by clicking the link. Once you go to this website, scroll down and download the Frija latest zip. It is the version 1.4.4. So let's click it and download it to our desktop. Alright, we have successfully downloaded the Frija application. Let's minimize the browser and let's scan the Frija zip file for viruses. So there are no threats detected in this file. So let's close it. And next, let's extract the files. Now we have successfully extracted all the files. Now it's time to launch the application. So double click the Frija.exe application. And we have successfully initialized the Frija application. To find the model number of your device, first click on the settings icon. Next, scroll down until you see About Phone. And next click on About Phone. Next, the value corresponding to the model number is your model number. So in this image you can see the model number is SMG980F. So you can enter this in the model section of the Frija app. Next, to find your CSC region, click on the software information and then the service provider software version. When you observe that section, you can see that there is letters, numbers and many characters. So after the third underscore, you can see 3 letters. In my case, it is TPA. So this is your CSC. You'll have to enter this in the Frija application. So first let's enter the model number according to the step we saw earlier. So it is SM-G980F and the CSC is TPA, and then click on check update. And we will be able to see which operating system it is. So it is the Android 12, the S version, and the file name is SMG980F with a few letters and numbers showing the Android 12 version and the date of modification. And we can also see the size, which is 6779 MB. So you can click on download and select your destination and then click on save. Next, it will start to download at high speeds. Your feedback and suggestions are valuable for us to improve our channel and its videos. Please let us know if you love the channel or hate it. We'd like to know all your feedbacks and suggestions. The feedback form and suggestion form links are found in the description. So please do take a moment to write in your suggestions and feedback so that quality assured videos are produced from the AMH Tech SL team. Thank you so much for your valuable help.
Thank you for watching my videos, and please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family.